Okay, let us continue our class on determinants. See, in the previous class, we have shown one formula here. So, what was the formula? Area of the triangle. So that can be written in the determinant form. So, what was the formula? So, if vertices are x1, x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3, then area of the triangle is half times x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So we can find out the area of the triangle whose vertices are given. Okay. If 3 points are ABC, say 3 vertices or 3 points are collinear, then the area is 0. And we have worked out 2 problems in the previous class. What is the other applications of determinant? See, another application of determinant is, see, equation of a line joining 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. See, in analytical geometry in first PUC, we have derived one expression for the equation of line joining 2 points. So, see, if we have consider x-axis and y-axis. See, if a line is, if this is a line, say this is a line, say L, it passes through say 2 points whose vertices are x1, y1 and x2, y2, then what is the equation of this line? So equation of the line passing through x1, y1 and x2, y2 and having the slope m. Okay, so we had already derived one expression for equation of the line in first PUC. So we are going to write the same formula in the form of determinant. So what was that expression for equation of the line joining 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2? See, the equation was y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So here this is slope point form. Okay, so we can replace this m. This slope of the line. The slope of the line is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the slope of the line here. So we can replace that m here, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we can write this equation as, see, y minus y1, okay, is equal to, this slope is, I will write y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into this x minus x1 as it is. Okay, so see here, this is the equation of a line joining 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y. See, y minus y1 is equal to whatever I have written, this y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus, this is the slope into x minus x1. Or we can write this same thing as, see, y minus y1, I bring this x minus x1 to the denominator, is equal to, on the right hand side, write this y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, so all these things we have learnt in analytical geometry. So what is this expression? This is the equation of the line joining 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. So this is the formula or equation of the line, we say. So the same expression can be written in the form of determinant. Okay, I will write the same expression in the determinant. So what is the area? See, equation of the line. So equation of the line joining 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is, so that equation is, so what is the equation here? So equation can be written as, see, in the determinant form, x, x1, x2, then y, y1, y2, then 1, 1, 1 is equal to 0. See, this is the equation. Okay, first column is see x, x1, x2, y, y1, y2, then last column is 1, 1, 1 is equal to 0. See here, in the previous class we have discussed this. What is this? Area of the triangle. See, area of the triangle is half times of this. There we must be knowing 3 vertices, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So what is this? This is the equation. This is not the area here. This is equation. See, that's why we written equal to 0. Equation of the line. See, equation of the line joining 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by this. See, difference between that and this one is, here constant half is present. This is the equation. This is equated to 0. This is not equated to anything. This is area is equal to. Okay, that is the difference. Don't take both the formulas as same. See, x, x1, x2, y, y1, y2, 1, 1, 1. See here, x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. See, 1, 1, 1 is common. Third column is same in both, but first column and second column will differ. So equation of the line joining 2 points is this one, and area of the triangle as we learnt in previous class. So that is the area of the triangle. Okay, so we can expand this along first row and find out the equation of the line. Okay, So you remember this one. So I will consider one example here. So let me consider one example. Okay, let me write this. Find the equation of the line joining the points Okay, so find the equation of the line joining the points 1, 2, 3, 6 by using the determinants. Using determinants. Okay, by using determinants. See here. So this is also question carrying 2 marks in part B. Okay, I have considered an example here. Find the equation of the line joining the points C 1, 2, 3, 6 by using determinants. So see here, by using determinant means we have to write this formula and we can find out the equation of the line. So okay, so now let us work out this. See, given vertices are 1, 2, 3, 6. See, these are the points. See, line joining the points. So only 2 points will be there, x1, y1, x2, y2. So you think this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Then you write the formula. So equation of the line is x, x1, x2, y, y1, y2, 1, 1, 1 is equal to. So don't forget to write 0 on the right hand side. A lot of students will write only left hand side. This is equal to 0. Okay, so I can see, I will replace here. See, x, x1. See, x in the first row we have x, y, 1. Okay, first row x, y, 1. Then x1, x2. See, x1, x2, 1, 3. 1, 3. Then y1, y2. See here, 2, 6. This is 1, 1. So then we can expand along first row. See, x. See, x into, so you leave this column and this row. See, 2 into 1, 2. Minus 6 into 1, that is 6. Then minus y into, so you leave this column and this row. 1 into 1, 1, 1 minus 3. Then plus 1 into, so you leave this column and this row. See, 1 into 6. 6 minus 2 into 3, that is 6. See, right hand side is equal to what? 0. See, x, y, 1. See, plus x minus y, 1. So x into 2 minus 6, that will be minus 4. Minus y into, see, 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. 6 minus 6, 0, 0 into 1, that will be 0. So I did not write that. See, minus 4 into x, that is minus 4x. Minus into minus plus 2y is equal to 0. So you can leave at this step. So this will be the equation of the, see, we got the equation, not the area. So area means we must write that as in square units. We get some number. Okay. So here we will get an equation. Equation means, see, x and y are variables. Minus 4x plus 2y is equal to 0 is the equation of the line which passes through 1, 2 and 3, 6. Okay. So we have used the concept of determinant to find the equation of the line. Okay. So in this way we can do the problems here. Okay. Let us consider another example here. Okay, I will write it here. Okay, so find the equation of the line joining the points 3, 1 and 9, 3. See, find the equation of the line joining the points 3, 1 and 9, 3 by using the determinants. Okay, given vertices are 3, 1, 9, 3. So you think this has x1, y1, only 2 points are there, x2, y2. So write this formula. So same formula, x, x1, x2, y, y1, y2, 1, 1, 1. Then we can replace it. Okay, I will write it 0. See, x, y1, as I said, first row. Then x1, x2. See, 3, 9. So 3, 9. See, x1, x2. Then y1, y2. 1, 3. See, 1, 3. Then this is 1, 1. So let us expand this along first row. Okay, x into, see, x into, leave this column and this row, only observe these elements. 1 into 1, 1 minus 1 into 3, 3. Then minus y into, see, leave this column and this row, 3 into 1, 3 minus 9 into 1, that is 9. Then last one is plus 1 into, leave this column and this row, 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 9 into 1, that is 9, is equal to, so right hand side, see, I will written 0 here. So x into, see, 1 minus 3, that is minus 2, minus y into 3 minus 9, that is minus 6, plus 9 minus 9, 0, 0 into 1, that will be 0. So that is minus 2 into x, 2x minus 2 minus plus 6y is equal to 0. So you can leave at this step here. See, once again we got the equation in x and y. So this is the equation of the line passing through 3, 1 and 9, comma 3. Okay. So these are the applications of determinants. So including our previous class, so what are the concepts we have learned so far in this class? See, area of a triangle, so that is half into, so I can write that as, so this is square units, x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so whatever the area we calculate, so area should be what? Positive. Okay, and the second one is, see, equation of the line passing through 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by this determinant, and we have worked out some of the examples. So we practice these problems. We shall consider some more problems related to these in the next class.